Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to check your iPhone's purchase date. First of all, go to your settings and scroll down for General. Click on General and click on About. Now you have to copy your serial number from here. Hold on it and click Copy. Now go to any browser on your iPhone and type in search bar Apple check coverage. Go to the first site appearing here and scroll a little bit down. Here is the section you have to enter your serial number. Paste it here and click submit. And you will see your iPhone model and purchase date here. If this video was helpful, please like video and subscribe my channel.